Hello everyone, welcome to Smile Bee Arts. In this video, we are going to talk about small tricks and ideas that would improve your sketch or portrait. When we take a portrait to sketch, each picture has different expressions to give. For example, a portrait may have a witty eye expression like this, or it may have an offensive kind of expression which the second eye sketch says. And the third one here gives a surprised expression, and the fourth one says a frustrated face, and the fifth one gives a daydreaming expression. Eyebrows play an important role in defining your eye properly. So aligning your eyebrows give a proper definition to your eyes. So when we go with a normal eye, here a normal eye means without any expression. This is just a base outline of an eye, not a perfect eye sketch or something. Here when we go with a normal eye, your eyebrows go curved, your eyelids also go curved, your eyeball will be in a normal size. When we go with the happy face expression, your eyebrows near the nose goes high and go slopey downwards. Your eyelids also go slopey downwards. Your eyeball is of normal size, there's no difference in it. And then when you go with the surprised expression, go high near the start of the eyebrow and then goes downwards. Our eyelids are curvy and eyeball is small. You can see the space between the eyelids and the eyeball. Here is an example. In this sketch, we have the gap between the eyeball and the eyelid, which is not seen in any other eye sketch. You can see other eyeballs in a normal size, but then in a surprised eyeball, there's a gap between eyelid and the eyeball. So this is a surprise eye. And then when we go with a sad eye sketch, your eyebrows go down, then the eyelids are so thin. Your eyeball is also so small, it's not of a normal size. When you go with a crying eye sketch also, those eyelids are wrinkled, so those wrinkle lines should be drawn. There's no eyeball necessary. And then with few tears. And the angry eye sketch, your eyebrows start down and then goes upwards. Your eyelids are curved, your eyeball is of a normal size. For example, here we have tried a first frustrated eye sketch. In this you can see the eyebrows go upwards. So practice all these sketches, try all these ideas. I hope you liked the video. Like, share and subscribe to Smile Bee Arts, and thank you.